Solve sine 2 theta is equal to cos theta for theta being between 0 and 2 pi. So we've got sine 2 theta is equal to cos theta, and we're solving from 0 to 2 pi. So this suggests that we need to give our answers in radians. Now sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. There's only one formula. So we're going to replace this because we've got 2 theta and cos, so we just want everything in terms of theta. So we've got 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to cos theta. General procedure for solving equations is to put the equal to 0. So taking cos theta from both sides, you're going to have 2 sine theta cos theta minus cos theta. Cos theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. And then the next tactic is to try to factorise. There's a common factor of cos theta, so that can come out. And we're left with 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So either cos theta is equal to 0. Now it's best to use the graph in this case. So just draw a quick sketch of cos theta. Doesn't have to be a brilliant sketch, but you should know what the graph looks like. Where is cos theta equal to 0? It's here at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So theta is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. And then we're going to check when 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Remember, we're solving for radians. So 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives that sine theta is a half. And sine to the minus 1 of a half is pi by 6, 30 degrees, but you have to give the answer in radians. Doing our South Asian tennis club or caste system, we want to know where sine is positive. Sine is positive in the first and second quadrants only. So drawing our line with the horizontal axis, this is pi by 6, and this is pi by 6, so we're going to get that theta is pi by 6. The other one will be from here, so from here, 180 is pi in radians, so we need to do pi minus pi by 6. So it gives pi by 6, and then pi minus pi by 6 gives me 5 pi by 6. So writing out all the solutions in ascending order, we're going to get that theta is pi by 6, pi by 2, 5 pi by 6, or 3 pi by 2. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation using the double angle formula, a trigonometric equation using double angle formula, and giving your answer in radians. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.